guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in an image in Google Sheets. So to do that, you're just going to go and click select a cell you want to insert the image, and I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Then I'm going to press insert and then choose image. You can either choose insert image in cell or image over cells. I'm just going to choose insert image in cells. Press browse and select the picture you want to add in your cell. I'm just going to choose this one. You can also do stuff from you can insert images from URLs too, and camera, as you can see from here, camera URL, photos, Google Drive, and even Google image search. Oops. And then to make the picture bigger, you're just going to move your cell like this so you can see the image better. So drag this bit and this bit to make the image bigger. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!